Hello, this is Peter with PM Designs. In this video I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to make a simple planet. Not a realistic planet, a simple, stylized, however you want to put it, planet. You know, you cannot use this method to make a planet that we know, but you can make a random planet that you want to make. So I'm just going to add a sphere. I'll press Shift and A to add. I'm not going to turn on screencast keys for this. Add a subdivision and shade it smooth, just so it looks quite nice. And we're just going to go straight into shading. And I'm going to give it a new material. We've got our principled.bsdf and our output here, so we're going to need, I don't know, 3 or 4, can't remember. We need a color amp, which is going to go here. We need a mix RGB, which will go next to that, and then we need 2 textures. We need a Musgrave or Musgrave, I don't know, is it pronounced as a Z or a S, whatever, and a noise a noise texture, and just plant that down there. We just need these 2 next to each other. Okay, so the color amp is going to go into the base color of our principled BSDF, and just so we can see what's going on, I'm going to bring this up here a little bit. And then we're going to have let's start with our Musgrave. Plug the height into the first color here, and then the color into this one down here. So you can see what Musgrave does. It creates these shapes, these blobs. Something like this will probably do for now. And then we're going to add the factor of our noise into here, and that will add some distortion to those shapes along the edges. Sorry, not factor. Oh, laptop says no. Laptop really says no. Uh-oh, I think I broke it. Sorry, not the factor, the color. Oh dear, what's going on here? Sorry about this. If you watched my previous videos, you know that my PC is currently rendering, so that's even slower than the laptop at the moment. Yeah, right, sorry, color into here. Okay, there we go. And now, so this, I'll bring it in closer, you can see that the noise adds this distortion to these solid black shapes, which is quite nice later. I'm just going to go with this for now, this is fine. But basically what you would do is get the Musgrave noise all plugged in, and you can start to play around with which one has dominance over the image, and also you can start to mess with the scale here to see how many land masses you want, and how you mess with all the shapes here, how distorted you want them to be or how clear you want them to be. And then all I did was just let's change the white. What are we going to have? Let's have the white as the sea. Just change that into that kind of blue, and change the black into a green for now, just for now. Okay, and just crunch that up a little bit, bring the blue down, make that a bit sharper. Okay, so that's very basic, and then just keep adding colors. Let's say if I'm going to try and make an earthy kind of color, what color is the earth? What a stupid thing to say. Yeah, I would add some yellow, separate those, all kind of sandy yellow, and we could add in some brown. Let's add another one here, make that a kind of brown color. Get the main colors down of whatever you think your planet would look like, and then just play around with that color amp a little bit. I actually think the green is going to be on the inside, and the deserty sandy part would be on the outside, and just play around with that until you get what you like, something like that. I don't like this brown actually, make it a little bit lighter and more towards yellowy, something like that. Let's just crunch the sea back in. There you go, not too bad, and that's it. So basically all you need, you could do a fire planet like this, you could have lava and rocks instead of sea and earth, land. But yeah, all you need is your Musgrave noise into a mix, then into a color amp. The color amp just determines the colors of your planet. Plug that into the base color. So if you found that useful, please drop a like. Thanks very much.